tropical and subtropical regions. Learning about life in tropical and subtropical regions. At both sides of equator, that is up to 30° north and 30° south latitudes, both the tropical and subtropical areas extend. The Amazon basin clearly lies in the tropical zone, while Ganga-Brahmaputra basin lies in subtropical zone. Amazon basin and its location. Amazon River is the largest river of the world in terms of volume of water. This river rises in the Andes Mountains and flows through Brazil. The total river basin covers nearly half of Brazil and parts of Peru, Bolivia equator, Colombia, and Venezuela. Climate. Throughout the year, hot and wet type of climate is noted in Amazon basin. It rains almost every day in the afternoon, and the average annual amount of rainfall is 200 centimeters. Because of heavy rainfall and hot humid condition, Amazon basin has lush green forests. These rainforests are often known as selvas. Rainforests or selvas. The selva is the Earth's most heterogeneous forest formation. Its native species include valuable wood trees like ebony, rosewood, mahogany, rubber trees, cinchona, cocoa, etc. Nearly 1 lakh species of world's flora and fauna flourish in the Amazonian rainforest, which extend over 7 million square kilometers. Agriculture. Slash and burn agriculture is causing much harm to these forests. It is very difficult to deal with this aspect because of morally indisputable right of the poor farmers there to have means of survival. Wildlife. In the Amazon basin, there is a rich variety of wildlife. A variety of monkeys live on the treetops. Jaguar, a ferocious animal, also lives here. Alligators lie on the muddy banks of the river. Other animals include anteaters, sloths, and pumas. A rich variety of birds and reptiles are also available. Tribal. The tribals live in the small thatched heartlands of forest. Occupation is hunting, fishing, and forest gathering. The Indians of the Amazon basin prefer to take rest in a hanging couch called hammock, made out of the bark of the hamaca tree. They lead a contented life as their needs are met from the local environment. The more advanced people of tribal origin live in the villages and make their houses on a stilt to avoid dampness. Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. Ganga-Brahmaputra plains stretch in an east-west direction between the Himalayas in the north and the peninsular plateau in the south. The river coming down from the Himalayas deposit their load at the foothills and forms the fan. These fans merged together to form a narrow belt of 10 to 15 kilometers wide, known as Bhabar. To the south of Bhabar lies a 15 to 30 kilometers wide marshy tract known as Terai. Further south in east-west stretch the plains consist of Bhangar, the older alluvium, and the Khadar, the newer alluvium. Ganga is the main river of this area and a large number of tributaries join it. The main tributaries are Yamuna, Ghagra, Gomti, Chambal, Som, Betwa, etc. The Brahmaputra Valley is a low-level plain with maximum width of about 80 kilometers. This basin braided with many rivers in island and that's why known as world's largest depositional surface. The climate is monsoon type of climate. Summers are hot and dry. Ganga Brahmaputra basin has a rich layer of alluvial soil. These soils are very fertile and the occupation of people is agriculture. The farmers practice sedentary peasant agriculture on small land holdings. The small land holdings are due to excessive pressure of population on land and due to law of inheritance. Rice and jute are the main crops of Brahmaputra plain. Cotton, wheat and sugarcane are the main crops on the western side of Ganga plain, while sugarcane, rice and jute are largely grown in the eastern side of Ganga plain. Although Rabi and Kharif crops are grown in a year, yet in irrigated areas our third crop called Zaid is also grown. As compared to the Amazon basin, the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin is far more advanced. Summary: the Amazon River is the largest river in terms of water. The Amazon basin experiences hot and wet type of climate throughout the year. The rainforest of Amazon is known as selvas. The selva is the Earth's most heterogeneous forest formation. That is all about life in tropical and subtropical regions. In the next lesson, we will learn about life in temperate regions. Till then, keep learning.